And yet, many of the long-term care facilities' employees have themselves not been vaccinated.
Now, Governor Pritzker is taking steps to change that. He's requiring workers at state-run facilities to get vaccinated. But he says he has no plans to do the same for private spaces. Good evening, I'm Jamie Mays. Jessica has the night off. It might not be mandatory for everyone, but the governor is calling on nursing home workers specifically to get their shots. WCIA 3's Cole Hankey joins us live from the newsroom. Cole, nursing home cases are climbing with the rest of the state.
Yeah, that's right. Those nursing home cases did drop after the vaccine was released, but now, months later, they're starting to climb a little bit.
COVID cases in long-term care facilities is rising again, and vaccination rates at these facilities have leveled off, mainly among staff. Governor Pritzker is calling it a major problem.
And yet, many of the long-term care facilities' employees have themselves not been vaccinated. They run the risk of carrying the virus into work with them. And then it's the residents who are ending up seriously sick, hospitalized, or worse.
The Department of Public Health launched a new website that tracks vaccination rates in long-term care facilities in the state. That data shows Clark-Lindsey Village in Urbana has the highest vaccination rate for staff and residents in the county. They actually required staff to get their shots by August 1st after every single one of their residents chose to get the vaccine.
So what we felt as an organization is our residents are telling us that it's important to be vaccinated. And if we're working in their homes every day, then we need to be vaccinated too.
Blatzer says it's a good idea to show this data to the families.
I think the information on this website that is provided to all of us is very important because people who have loved ones in licensed facilities need to know if that facility is taking the necessary precautions to keep their loved ones safe.
In just over 2 weeks at the end of July, the number of cases in nursing homes jumped from 30 to 82, and the number of cases in long-term care facilities has been split evenly between staff and residents, even though there are more residents in these homes.
Your workers are on the front lines of protecting thousands of our elderly loved ones. But across the state, staff vaccination rates are dramatically lower than those of your residents.
Now, the data on the IDPH website is updated weekly, and it also shows the number of cases in both residents and in staff throughout the entire pandemic for each individual facility. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, thanks, Cole.